Can we get into this wig right here from Recool Hair? This is their Kinky Curly 5x5 HD lace closure wig. It is in 22 inches. This hair is really full, especially when you receive it, because it has a very kinky straight texture to it. It has like a lot of kinks in it. So when you straighten it, it doesn't get bone straight. This is what it looks like once you straighten it. So it still does have texture to it, which I love. This wig is only 180% density, but it looks so freaking full, right? It looks like a 200 or 250% density wig, but it's not. I want to give a big thank you to Recool for sponsoring today's video. So you can rock this wig completely glueless without any glue, spray, or tape, but I did go in and spray my finger with a little bit of spray just to lay the lace right here down in the front so that when I straighten the hair, I wouldn't have any issues of the wig like moving. This hair is so pretty, y'all. Like, I think it would hold a beautiful curl as well. So if you want to see me curl this hair, definitely let me know. If you're interested in checking out this wig, I will have a link down below to Recool's hair website. And if you would like to see how I installed plus straightened this wig today, y'all know what to do. Definitely stay tuned.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on guard when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak, it don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump off my back, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him play me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so bear with it. We can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going over. So tonight, baby, meet me. Time is right, so right. Our romance to be. Can't deny. Love the thing.
So this hair was very easy to install. I'm loving the texture of this hair. It looks very natural and you are definitely getting your density's worth with this wig. It's only 180% density, but like I said, it looks like it could be 200 to 250% density, but it feels so light. It does not feel heavy on my head whatsoever. And I love the fact that this is a closure wig. I have shown y'all so many different kinky straight textured wigs, but they've all been frontal wigs. So this is the first lace closure wig in the kinky straight texture, and I think it's so easy to install, definitely beginner friendly, and it has a very natural texture. Who gonna clock me, boo? Ain't nobody finna clock me. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. That really helps out a lot. If you have not already checked out my last makeup tutorial, baby, what are you doing? Go ahead, click the box right here